First, clean the area where the dashcam will go and apply the adhesive film. Next, attach the dashcam main unit firmly onto the film. Now, connect the power cable, rear camera cable, and GPS cable to the main unit. Then, gently route all three cables into the roof trim. You can use cable ties to bundle and keep the wires tidy. Continuing with the power cable, run it along the roof trim. And pass it down through the gap in the front pillar. Route the power cable along the weather strip. Attach fixing clips to the crash pad underpanel, and run the cable through them. Then, tuck the cable into the gap of the floor console side molding. Now, plug the power cable into the vehicle's cigarette lighter socket. Once connected, check if the main unit power is on properly. Next, let's route the rear camera and GPS cables through the roof trim. Pass the rear camera cable down through the front pillar gap. And mount the GPS unit in place. Then, route the rear camera cable along the weather strip, passing through the center and rear pillar gaps. Clean the area where the rear camera will be mounted and apply the adhesive film. Attach the rear camera onto the film and connect the cable to finish up.